What's up, guys? It's Justin. I'm back with another video representing that project. As you can see, it's a little hot out here in Miami, so going sleeveless today. But we're going to go into something real quick, and one thing I want to talk about is like how often you should do your budget. I know this sounds very simple and elementary, but I like to start with the basic fundamentals, especially with this channel. I'm gonna give you some low level stuff, I'm gonna get you some mid level stuff, and I'm gonna get you some high level stuff. Now, one thing you have to understand is you need to be tracking every expense every single day. I know that sounds like a lot of work. You gotta fit 5 minutes, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, track your everyday spending and your everyday income coming in. One thing you gotta understand, like most people who have one checking account, it's nothing but a launch pad. Money comes in, money comes out. Money comes in, money comes out. And that's why a lot of people stay in this check to check, because they don't segment their money. They're always just barely surviving. You have to segment your money. So one thing you have to do is treat your personal life like a business. And what do businesses do? You think Amazon has one checking account, one savings account? You think Walmart has one checking account and one savings account? No, they don't. You have to treat your life like a business. Take it serious. You need to have at least 5 checking accounts. I know I held up 10 fingers, but 5 checking accounts. Why is that? Because when money comes in, for instance, if $100 comes in, you need to put, and it just depends on where you're at financially, but you should put at least 20 for savings and really 80% for your everyday expenses, your regular life, and then the other 5% times 4 in those other 4 checking accounts. And as you raise your income, you want to take more of that 80% and sock it away in those other 4 accounts. This does 2 things. One, it tracks your money. You never go broke because you always have money available, and especially an account just for emergency expenses, because life happens. It just is what it is, and you always want to be prepared for that. I don't even care if you make $10 an hour, $15 an hour. You need to practice this type of blueprint. And another thing it does is it mentally prepares you to realize that you need to make more money, because as you see that money coming in and segmented, and you realize that you're matching that one account where are your bills, your everyday expenses. You shouldn't have everyday expenses, or whatever money you spend is in this one account, and you see the other accounts start to stack up. You realize, okay, for me to go out and buy this or do what I need to do, I need to make more money. So it forces you mentally to make more money. I don't know what it is about it, but when I did that, I know my life changed financially. Like, to be honest with you, I think I have about 18 different bank accounts. That's no lie at all. Maybe I'll go into another video about that. But one thing you got to understand is you'll always have money readily available, and it forces you to make more money. You should never want access to all the depths of your money. And I know that sounds very hard right out the gate, because trust me, I understand life happens. I've been in terrible situations that none of you could probably imagine, or would not even be able to walk in my shoes. But one thing you got to understand is that you need to segment your money, do 5 checking accounts. When you match that with a budget daily, I'm telling you, your life will change. But you have to put this into practice. This is not something you could just look at this video and not do, or just do it 1 or 2 days, a week, and then drop off. You got to make this thing a lifestyle. When you make it a lifestyle, you, your partner, or your family, just yourself, make this shit a lifestyle, your life will change. And you have to buy into this. You have to have all the people around you to buy into this. I promise you, your life will change. Now, that's all I really got for you. If you go to blockuproject.com, we got a free brain fart. Well, I have a free budget sheet for you that you need to download. To make sure you download that today. We just give that away. If you need credit repair, click that link below. Got some brand new things coming. Actually going to document the process of one of my businesses and see if we can reach a certain income goal. And I would love to share that with you guys. But I hope this is informative, and I will show you another way you can make some money doing things that I'm doing. And shout out to y'all. Shout out to Block Up. That like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'm out. Peace.